infinite. You've been taught since you was a child that numbers are infinite and they never run out. This is completely false. Let me explain. As you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are only 9 numbers in existence. Notice there is no 0. I just added the 0. 0 is not a number. 0 comes before 1. 1 is the first number. Therefore, 0 cannot be a number if 1 is the first number. If 0 was the first number, then that means that 0 would have to be odd, and 1 would be even, and 2 would be odd, and so on and so forth. But this is not the case. 0 is not a number. It contains all numbers, but it's not a number. Here is a number wheel. Inside the wheel or the circle contains all numbers. For example, all numbers fit perfectly within the circle. Numbers are not infinite, part 2. Now if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you get to the 10 is a 1 and a 0. There is no special character that makes up the symbol 10. For 10 is literally just a 1 with a 0. The reason why you add a 0, because the 0 lets you know that you are increasing the integer. This principle can be applied to any numbers. For example, let's pick a random number. I have chosen the number 5,343. This is a random number. There is no 5,343 number symbol, as 5,343 is literally just a 5, a 3, a 4, and a 3. As you can see, there are only 9 numbers, and it is the infinite combination of these numbers that make the infinity of numbers. A 10 is just a 1 plus a 0. The 0 is just a place changer. There are only 9 numbers, part 3. So in part 1 and 2, I discussed that there are only 9 numbers from 1 through 9, and any combination of numbers will always be the repeating same 9 numbers over and over again in random different combinations. See, there are only 9 numbers in reality, but you can combine these 9 numbers an infinite amount of times to create an infinite amount of numbers. Now let's go ahead to the pH scale, or the number scale. And if you look at this, you have negative and positive, and if you see, the 0 is in the middle. This also looks like the pH scale, which is the potential of hydrogen. Now notice O, hydrogen, O is also a 0. Everything comes from the center, which is the dot, which is that point, which is the oval, which is the yoni. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is no room for 10. 10 is the giant circle around you. Numbers are linear. They only go in a straight line, forward or backwards, just like that.